ยา
ไม่สามารถเข้าสู่ขบวนรถได้กรุณารอขบวนถัดไปซึ่งจะมาขอบคุณค่ะอาจจะต้องซื้อของคนเป็นข้างดีก็คือลงมานี่เป็นไปไม่ใช่ที่มาดูอะไรโคตรคือมีบางที่เป็นวิธีการบอกเป็นคนเล่นเป็นอะไรที่เป็นตัว
โอ้ยไม่เห็นNice view. So sweet me. Ha 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 hi hi hey welcome back what do you mean welcome back what don't call me that it's KOS KOS mean cat not club wait a minute hi who does spread Spread. It's weird. You can call me ugly. Ah, my. This is normal. I kind of know. It's weird for you to say that. I'm not very late. I already told him that I have to work, but I'm gonna late. I still don't know how to go from here. Maybe walking. No. What do you mean? Just kidding, God. You know what? Kidding. Okay. I have to go to Sukhumvit Soy 10. What? I just kidding you. Sukhumvit Soy 10 นี่ไกลไหมคะไม่ไกลมากอาร์ตบอกแต่ทางนู้น一段のですよThank you, God. That's for her. Why you don't have a sound? Does it have a sound for you? Thank you. You should have like TTS, right? But you didn't. Can you just open Pim stream at the same time? Sometimes I want you to talk to her for me, so I don't have to. พี่คะไปสุขุมวิทซอย10เนี่ยเดินไปไกลไหม
สุขุมวิทซอย10ไหนเนาะ
บอกอ่ะเดินไปไกลปะสุขุมวิทซอย10ไกลไหมพอ14แล้วนี้ค่ะ I know she's there, but told her that I'm at Sukhumvit now. I'm sorry, but please. Oh, hungry. Oh, I'm late already. Okay, tell her I'm running. I'm at this place. Yeah, okay. When I didn't run, I'm listening to music at the same time. Rap one. Is that race guy told you that he gonna be here today? Still not killed them. Look at it. I love it. Maybe he's traveling. I really want to do that. ถ้าสุขุมวิทซอย10ไปทางฝั่งไหนอ่ะสุขุมวิทซอย10เดินไปไม่ไกลใช่ไหมฝั่งโน้นโอเคค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ So I'm hungry. What are you guys doing? Is that I mean like doing eat or something at the same time? And I listened to something like they told me to running too. My song. Running. East Court for students there. Oh, hungry. Do you remember the soy cowboy that I went before? That I have a depression. That sawing some shooting bagger river. Oh, this is a route is that place. It's closed, so late. Yeah, maybe you know more about me because I didn't watch the news at all. Thank you.